Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. Today we are going to talk about switch case statement in R programming language, or better to say switch function. If you already have some history with programming, you probably know that switch statement is used as a replacement for if statement if you have some huge number of choices. So for example, I'm going to create one variable with value of 3 assigned to it. Then I'm going to call a switch function like this, make some space. So first argument to this function is going to be actual variable we are going to test, and that's a in this case, and rest of arguments are going to be responses. So in first argument we are going to provide a response of what is going to happen if variable a holds numeric value of 1. So I'm going to print 1. In second argument, print 2. Then print 3 and print 4. So in this case we are not actually testing for value but for index. If you exclude this first argument and if you start counting from the second argument, expression that is going to be executed will be expression with the index that is held with variable a. So if I execute this code, we are going to print 3 to the screen. And now we could use switch statement to test for value too, but only for value of character type. So if I turn this number into character, now I can provide values for testing like this. If is 1, we are going to print 1. If is 2, we are going to print 2, and so on. I'm going to execute this right now, and the result is going to be the same. But now, what if a holds numerical value, and you actually want to test for that value? You are not interested into index. Still, there is a way around that. You are going to provide variable a as first argument, but you are going to convert that variable into character with as character function. Now, if we execute this code, you see everything is just fine. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you have learned something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya.